Apex Instruments encourages you to use or perform any maintenance on this equipment safely. In this video, we may show an icon that conveys a safety hazard or risk that is associated with the operations performed. Be mindful of inherent hazards such as pinch points, sharp objects, or shock injuries.
Hey, I'm Joe Thompson with Apex Instruments Technical Service Group. I'm going to show you some of the components on the front of your XD-502 console. On the front of your XD-502 console, you have a probe temperature controller here with its own power switch, as well as an oven temperature controller with its own power switch. Below, you have the main power switch for the console. Beside it, you'll find the pump power switch, and then beside that, the auxiliary power switch. Moving to the right, you have your membrane switches that control functions on the screen of your XD-502. And you have a contrast controller, which can be used by inserting a Phillips head screwdriver to adjust the contrast on your screen. You have a coarse valve here. Below, you have a fine adjustment valve. 6 thermocouple jacks are here. Below that, you have your 1/2 inch sample inlet. And you have your 2 pitot quick connects here. These can come in 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch. Your power plug insert is below. Beside that, you'll find your Amphenol and your main reset switch beside it. You also have a calibration results table here on the front of the console, as well as a USB data port.